all. Back up to dreams, we're hitting the road. New sights, fresh vibes on our own episode. City lights flashing, laughter fills the air. Moments to treasure, adventures to share. Here we go, just Adam and Lisa. Every step taken, life's a grand teaser. From coast to coast, there's always a score. Together we ride, always seeking more. If you need, if you dance on the dive with. I can be a Sam Tick on the dive with. If I can see smoke, so seeking souls.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Adam and Lisa Explore. We're here again on Clifton Hill, out front of Ghostblasters. So that's another attraction that's included in the Clifton Hill Fun Pass. There it is. We're gonna go check it out. What are you thinking? Excited?
I'm looking forward to it, actually. I like these. It's a shooting thing in the dark type thing, isn't it? Yeah, I'm looking forward to that.
Dark ride.
Yeah.
And we did Carnival of Chaos, which you saw. This is a little bit different. I'm hoping it's kind of like a classic dark ride. Again, you shoot. But let's go see. You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Alright, here we go. They start this really quick.
Yeah.
Oh, I got one. See the tree? What am I shooting?
You what?
Oh, here we go. This is awesome. I don't know if I've hit anything yet. Oh, there we go.
You shoot, I'm just shooting.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Jesus! Oh, it's a zombie. These things disappear, right? Oh! This is pretty cool. I like this. It's like a classic dark ride. It's pretty quick, though. Wow. I don't know what's happening when I hit some of them.
Well, they're moving, aren't they?
Yeah, that's awesome. I do like this. Oh, this is cool. That is cool.
Try.
That was awesome. Oh. Very cool. Oh, here we go. Cooler fast.
Wow.
Holy crap. That gets me that air.
That was noisy.
Is that it? No, it's a little jerky at the end there.
Yeah.
Here we go. Oh, we're not done. We're not done. Oh, zombies. That's cool.
Wow.
Come back. That was fun. That was fun.
That was fun.
All right, guys. What did you guys think of that? Was that pretty cool? What did you think of that?
Some of those effects were really good, and there were a few. Like, there was more jump scares in there than there was in the
Castle Dracula.
The concert when we did that, you know.
Yeah.
I jumped more in here because things falling down from the top of us and at the sides of us, and noises. I jumped a few times in there, but yeah, it's good fun.
There was
Good
some
fun.
compressed air. Well, as you guys saw, the compressed air. That's what got me, because I wasn't expecting that. But that was pretty cool. Like a classic dark ride. Again, you're shooting. I didn't see my score. You weren't shooting.
Well, I did a couple of times.
Couple.
Yeah, but because it was moving around so much.
It was pretty
good.
quick. Like
Yeah.
it was quick, but you know what? That was pretty well worth it.
Good one for kids, that one.
Yeah,
Definitely a
that
good
is
one
true.
for kids. There's not too much jerking around. It's not too scary for children. There's not things coming at you other than what I've already said.
Couple
But there's nothing
coughing.
coming at you or anything to scare. And it's not like ultra dark in there. So definitely a good one for children.
It's nice to be
And
able
adults,
to see.
because I was smiling whilst I was
Yeah.
in there. I quite enjoyed it.
That was good. That was good.
Yeah, it was.
So that is it from Ghostblasters on Clifton Hill here in Niagara Falls. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and we're off to explore some more. You ready?
Always ready.
All right. Ciao.
See ya.